So here we have a brand new Prestige 520 Fly, just arrived here in Dublin. A couple of characteristics: it's got a full galley layout, Miele grill and oven. It's got 3-burner stove on the top, full fridge, full freezer box, hot and cold running water, plenty of storage, an island space here as well so you can feed out into the cockpit. Back doors open on this side as well, so you can slide the doors open and you can go through the galley into the cockpit, so feed into the cockpit. Cockpit cushions are stored away at the moment in a crew cab. You'll see this little porthole here, there's a crew cab underneath, and we have the cushions just stored away because we've got some heavy weather coming in. If we move into the saloon, we've got a wraparound seating area here, sufficient for 8 people. Table is on a high-low strut, so you press a button, it'll go down and makes a cocktail table, and then you can come up and then fold out the leaves and you have a full dinette table. We've got seating and sofa seating on the opposite side. An opening door, very handy for docking. There's an opening door, brings it out into the side decks. And then the seat that we see here is an electronic seat. So it's at the moment it's set up for a helm seat. So you can have 2 passengers sitting forward. But if you press a button, the seat will pull back and it forms an addition to the sofa area here that you see. So you have a full U-shaped seating all the way around the saloon. We've got the hidden TV. Press a button, this TV drops down. Boat has its own router, so you just bring your dongle and you plug in, and you have they're all smart TVs, so you have your Netflix and Apple TV, etc, etc. It's a full complement of electronics on it: radar, GPS, etc, etc. That will be in the specification. The joystick controller as well as the Volvo IPS and a bow thruster as well. We've also got the Seakeeper stabilization. You can see that, and we have zip wake controls on the pot. The zip wake are the new trim tab system. It's really good system for stabilizing the boat. But the Seakeeper that's built into the boat is ideal if you're at anchor, but it also works when you're underway to keep the boat nice and stable. So press a button, get rid of the TV, and we're left with then full all-round panoramic view on the inside of the boat. And that's really in the DNA of Prestige. You've got so much light coming in into the boat. We have hardwood floors going throughout, and then we've got carpet liners on top of it, so that this is all hardwood floor, and the carpet liners, you just take them out, clean them when you need to, put them back down. They're nice and soft on the feet, but a really nice boat to live on and go cruising on. So go forward to the guest cabins. We've got a forward VIP guest cabin, which is a split, so you can split it into 2 singles, or you join the bed together and you make a double bed out of it. It's full head height. At the moment we've got the cockpit forward cushions in place, so the light is impeded because of that, but if the cushions aren't in place, you've got full light coming in from the roof as well. Plenty of light coming in and porthole access as well, so it's good for venting. Lots of storage, hanging storage lockers on either side, and we also have TVs linked in here as well into it. It has a 1 toilet and shower down below, so for the guests, so you have a Jack and Jill door here, so you have access here through the master VIP, and you've got a full stand-up shower, vacuum flush toilet, and hot and cold running water, and plenty of storage in all the overhead presses here. This is a shared toilet with the next cabin, and this is 2 singles. We can make this into a double by sliding across if we wish, but as you can see, they're not even set up for sleeping on. They still have the plastic on the beds. Underneath the stairs, we have an area where we can put a dishwasher, or sorry, a washing machine and tumble dryer, and that's quite common and practice for most of our customers to have it on board if they're traveling. So it's just hidden in underneath the steps. The 2 little latches open, and that pops up. You can see how new this is. It's brand new. It's never been slept on. It's never been taken out. We just basically lifted it into the water and put it on the berth. The master cabin is at the back of the boat, and it's a separate master cabin, separate entry, so the reason it's a popular boat. You can have your guests up forward, and the master's cabin is at the back, and you've got full privacy. They're full-size beds, 7-foot bed. The mattresses are sprung. They're a proper sleep. Our clients, in fairness, have said that they're one of the better boats to sleep on, so they concentrate on comfort. We've upgraded the TV system in here as well, so it's got the larger 50-inch TV. We've got a full stand-up locker inside here for your wardrobe, for clothing. All of the cabins have their own remote control units there. You can see that little remote control unit here. That will control the heat, which we have here. We have 3 BTU systems, so we have heat, air conditioning, and just cool air running through the boat at any time if you wish. Plenty of stand-up room here, and this is a full-breasted cabin, so we're right to the beam of the boat, so it's a full beamed cabin. It's got opening portholes. It's got blackout blinds, so you just bring these down, and this covers the whole place at night time. As I said, this is the most popular of its size. It's the largest master suite of its size in class. It's why it's been such a popular model for us. Sage lounge here with plenty of storage underneath. It's got its own door, toilet, so shower compartment as well, and it's a full stand-up, so you're not crouching. Hot and cold running water, plenty of storage lockers and storage areas for your toiletries, and then it has a toilet facility, vacuum flush toilet facility just around the corner here. And that's the master suite.